time we're looking at a percent measure example that is not an IV fluid. So let's take a moment to read. How would a pharmacist make 250 grams of a 15% W/W sodium hydroxide solution? So the first thing I want to pay attention to is that it is W/W, which means we're comparing weight to weight. Then I'll do this like any other percent problem. I'll start with my percent and make it into a fraction. So we have 15 over 100. Because it is comparing weight to weight, I am comparing grams to grams. It asks me how to make the 250 gram amount, which would be the total amount that I want. So I put that in the denominator and use my x. I can use the cross product to solve at this point, so I take 100x is equal to 3750. Divide on both sides by 100, and that gives me x is equal to 37.5, and that would be grams. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't really know how to make sodium hydroxide. I'm guessing there's salt in it and some other things. So we're going to use the labels that are the generic words, and we had these in our notes last week. So this part that we just figured out would be called the solute. It's the thing that's going to be dissolved. Next thing that we need to figure out is how much solvent. So since the labels match, I can do some subtracting. So I know that the entire amount that I want is 250 grams. I'll subtract out this 37.5 grams, and that will give me 212.5. Now the word for this is the solvent. It's the thing that will do the dissolving. And if you want to complete it, this original amount that we wanted to create up here, whoa, that was a special arrow, that amount is called the solution. And so when we're not sure how we would make the different solution, we can use these words from chemistry to label our answers.